Ready for your lesson? Let's go!
Mom, I don't feel good. Mom, I don't feel good.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
My throat hurts. My throat hurts.
I have a headache. I have a headache. Let me check your temperature. Let me check your temperature. You have a fever. You have a fever. Let's go to the doctor. Let's go to the doctor. Hello, Emma. Hello, Emma. Hello, doctor. Hello, doctor. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? I feel sick. I feel sick. Open your mouth, please. Open your mouth, please. Your throat is red. Your throat is red. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Let me check your ears. Let me check your ears. I need a blood test. I need a blood test. Will it hurt? Will it hurt? Stretch out your arm, please. Stretch out your arm, please. All done. All done. You have a small infection. You have a small infection. You need some medicine. You need some medicine. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's go to the pharmacy. Let's go to the pharmacy. Hello, how can I help you? Hello, how can I help you? I need this medicine. I need this medicine. Of course. Of course. Here you are. Here you are. Let's go home. Let's go home. Here is your medicine. Here is your medicine.
Thank you, Mum.
Thank you, Mum.
Get some rest.
Get some rest.
I already feel better.
I already feel better.
Please give it a like, subscribe to Learn English with Evie, and don't miss the next episode.